Denarii Guide to an AI-assisted metaverse with different rooms that utilize OpenAI to act like certain functions, as well as integrating Xrpl and Algorand. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on creating an AI-assisted metaverse. In this video, we will be discussing how to build a virtual world with different rooms that utilize OpenAI to act like certain functions, as well as how to integrate Xrpl and Algorand into the metaverse. To get started, we will first need to set up the basic structure of the metaverse. This will involve creating the different rooms and defining their functions. For example, we might have a room that is designed to act like a virtual shopping mall, while another room might act like a virtual hangout. Once we have the basic structure of the metaverse in place, we can begin integrating OpenAI to give the rooms their desired functions. OpenAI is a powerful artificial intelligence platform that can be used to perform a wide variety of tasks, including natural language processing and image recognition. To integrate OpenAI into our metaverse, we will need to use its API, Application Programming Interface, to call upon its various functions and capabilities. For example, in our virtual shopping mall room, we might use OpenAI to provide product recommendations or answer customer inquiries. In our virtual CAS room, we might use OpenAI to handle the random generation of game outcomes or to assist with customer service. In addition to integrating OpenAI, we can also integrate Xrpl and Algorand to provide a secure and decentralized foundation for our metaverse. Xrpl is a decentralized payment platform that can be used to facilitate transactions within the metaverse, while Algorand is a decentralized protocol that can be used to securely store and transfer data. To integrate Xrpl and Algorand, we will need to use their respective APIs to access their functions and capabilities. For example, we might use Xrpl to facilitate the purchase of virtual goods or services within the metaverse, or we might use Algorand to securely store and transfer user data. Conclusion. In this video so far, we have discussed how to create an AI-assisted metaverse with different rooms that utilize OpenAI to act like certain functions, as well as how to integrate Xrpl and Algorand for added security and decentralization. Furthermore, to set up the metaverse, we will need to decide on the overall structure and layout of the virtual world. This will involve creating the different rooms and defining their functions, as well as determining how users will navigate between them. One way to create the rooms is to use a 3D modeling software such as Blender or Maya to design the environments and objects. Once the rooms have been designed, they can be imported into a game engine such as Unity or Unreal Engine to bring them to life and add interactivity. In addition to designing the rooms, we will also need to consider how users will access the metaverse. This could involve creating a standalone application or integrating the metaverse into an existing platform such as a social media site. To integrate OpenAI into the metaverse, we will need to use its API to call upon its various functions and capabilities. This will involve writing code that communicates with the OpenAI API and instructs it to perform specific tasks. For example, in our virtual shopping mall room, we might use OpenAI to provide product recommendations based on a user's past purchases or browsing history. This could be done by sending a request to the OpenAI API with the relevant information, and then receiving a response with the recommended products. In addition to providing product recommendations, we could also use OpenAI to handle customer inquiries or to assist with tasks such as inventory management. The possibilities are endless and will depend on the specific needs of the metaverse. To integrate Xrpl and Algorand, we will need to use their respective APIs to access their functions and capabilities. For example, we might use Xrpl to facilitate the purchase of virtual goods or services within the metaverse. This could be done by integrating Xrpl into the metaverse's payment system and allowing users to make transactions using Xrpl-based currencies. Similarly, we could use Algorand to securely store and transfer user data within the metaverse. This could be useful for storing user profiles, preferences, and other information that needs to be kept private and secure. Building a metaverse like this requires a combination of 3D modeling, game development, and API integration skills, but the end result can be a truly immersive and innovative virtual world.